Part 3, we've got new wheels and tires on the machine. So somebody replaced these studs with like AutoZone probably type studs for a car, and they tack welded them on the back side. So they just basically spun. So I had to cut the lug nuts off and they fell out the back side. So I got to get some new studs and new lug nuts because there's a bunch of different sizes and they don't all fit correctly. But other than that, the wheels went on alright. Drives a lot better. It's a lot softer ride. So I did the oil change, and that is the filter down there. I'm pretty sure this has never had an oil change in 2,000 hours. It still had the Toyota filter on there, and it was black and nasty. It still is. Put brand new oil in there, and it's still pretty. Look at that, pretty black already. I just idled for a little bit. So that's that. This is the fuel filter. I have that coming. The hydraulic filter, you can see I changed that right there. Tomorrow, the next day, I'm going to drain the hydraulic tank because that fluid's looking kind of nasty too, and refill that with type F or whatever I can find that works. But we're getting there. Got a new fan belt on. The old one again was original Toyota, very cracked. That's really about it on this episode. Same with this side, like I said. The front had a couple missing, and then it has mismatched like nut on there, open-end nut and regular lug nuts and different sizes. So that is the next order of business. But I'm glad I got this out of the way, because it was disgusting. And you'll see I removed this plate, and I spent a lot of time digging out all the dirt and mud and oil-caked stuff that was underneath there. I'm going to bring the pressure washer tomorrow and blow that all out. There's a little drip of a leak that I got to track down if it's not this push rod cover that I mentioned in the other video, wherever that is down there. So that is it for this one. Still dealing with this wiring issue too. Seems to be working now okay, but it's hit or miss. I gotta clean those up. Let's see here. Still haven't fixed that seat hinge. Yeah, there's the filter you see there, and then the oil filter right there. Gotta adjust this side a little bit. It likes to catch a little bit when I'm trying to start it and pull the right side. The handbrake still works. That's good. I can't think of anything else to say right now. Any kind of update. I've just been spending a couple hours on this thing. The oil change and everything. Alright, until next time.